Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. My dear students, I am pleased to see the views of my previous lectures. It means you are taking interest, you are showing interest in my lectures, and your interest is our success. Today, this is third lecture. In this third lecture, we will discuss some equations which can be reduced into quadratic equations. And how we will reduce these equations into quadratic equation? This is done by using some proper substitutions. In your book, there are 5 types of such equations which can be reduced to quadratic equations. So I am starting a question which is from your exercise 1.3. In this exercise, 5 types are given, the questions are given related with 5 types. So I have selected first question, which is from exercise 1.3, and this is question third. This is first type of such equations. So in this question 3, 5x 1 upon 3 is equal to 7 x 1 upon 4 minus 2. My dear students, this is the first type of such equations. So how you will solve this equation? Firstly, you should simplify this. This is 2. So this is 2 minus 7x1 upon 4 plus 2. This is 0. Now you will use the proper substitution. How you will substitute this? Let take x raised 1 upon 4, x raised to 1 upon 4 is equal to y, and after squaring both sides, you will see that this is 1 upon 2, that's equal to y square. Now you will substitute in this equation 5y square minus 7y plus 2, this is 0. Now you can solve this equation by factorization. You can solve this by quadratic equation. So simple is that you should factorize this quadratic equation, and after factorization you will get y minus 1 bracket, this is 5y minus 2, and ultimately you will get y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 upon 5, and now you will go back, you will substitute the value of y, that is x raised to power 1 upon 4, that is equal to 1. Now you have to get the value of x. How you will get? X 1 upon 4, take 4 power to both sides, so you will get x is equal to 1. In this case again, x 1 upon 4, this is 2 upon 5. By taking 4 power to both sides, you will see that 2 upon 5, and this is x is equal to, you know that 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 16, and this is 6, 5 raised to power 4, this is 625. So this is 625. It means the solution set is 16 over 625 and this is 1. So this is the first type of such equations, and now I will discuss the second type. Already I have mentioned here that there are 5 types of questions, 5 types of equations in your syllabus, in your book. So now I am coming towards the second type. Second type is, I am taking a question which is related with the second type. This is 2x square plus 1 plus 3 upon 2x square plus 1, and that's equal to 4. Now again you are using the proper substitution. Let 2x square plus 1, this is equal to y. So this will, original equation will become y plus 3 upon y is equal to 4. Now you can simplify this by multiplying both sides by y square. So y square plus 3, this is 4y. So this is y square 4y plus 3. Again you will factorize this equation, and after factorization you will get the two factors of this equation, which are, one is x minus 3 and the other factor is y minus 1. This is, so this is y minus 3, y minus 1. So y is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. Again you will come back to the substitution which you have taken. So in place of y you will put 2x square plus 1 equal to 3. In this case you will get the answer x square is equal to 1, and taking square root to both sides you will get x is equal to plus minus 1, and in this case 2x square plus 1 is equal to 1. Again you will see that now 1 minus 1, 2x square, this is equal to 0, and after simplification you will get the value of x, that is equal to 0. It means you have found 3 values, 3 roots. So these are, solution set is plus 1, minus 1, and this is 0. My dear students, in this third lecture we have discussed 2 types of equations which can be reduced to quadratic equation, and then we will simplify, we will find the roots of that equation. So in the next lecture we will discuss the other types. Thank you very much.